So into the YouTube automation, and I'm having issue when you come to it because there is no way I'm going to create a 1 hour long video as a beginner when it comes to storage. Then I turned to anything to see if anything can actually do this. So I combined anything with another tool to create this thing for me. And it worked. And now I can create 1 to 2 hour videos using anything, and also the second tool which I'm going to be using in this video, which is called CapCut. Okay? I combine both anything and CapCut together to be able to generate a long form video content. Can you see this is over 8,000 words content that I'm using to generate a long form content for one of my history channels, and it has been doing well lately. So I like to do something like this. So the first thing I did is to write my long form content and split it into parts. Okay? First thing I did is to write my long form content and split it into parts. So this is over 8,000 words of content and split it into 300 words per section. And what I did right here is to copy. If you calculate, we have 300 words here, another 300 words, another 300 words, another 300 words. So 3 times 4, that is 12, that is 1,200 words, which is almost equal to 10 minutes of videos or 15 minutes of videos based on the voiceover you are using. And this is how the anything workflow goes. First thing is submitting your workflow. As you can see, that is working right here. After submitting, my content is going to divide it to create a prompt. Okay? It's going to create an image prompt based on the transcript. As you can see, this is the ID, this is the transcript. As you can see, we have the ID, we have the transcript, we have the image prompt ID again, and the total of the items right here is around 17 items. Now, after getting the content, we are going to split it into parts to make sure we all separate each content. And after each content has been separated, the next thing we did is to pass through our image generation. And also, I'm using Freepik for the image generation. And this is just a small workflow for the image generation. And this is to wait for it to generate image or to check whether the image has been generated. This workflow is for us to get the status of the image, whether the image has been generated or not. And if the image has been generated, it's going to pass through this code, okay? And if the image is not generated, it's going to go back and check again whether the image is being generated. And after the image is being generated, we use this code. The reason why I use this code is because I'm actually having an issue when it comes to outputs from Freepik. So I decided to use this code to clean and get the right code. And this is how the image is going to look like. As you can see, we have the image of number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 images. Then I upload it to my MinIO bucket. Then we start with the voiceover based on the transcript, right? As you can see, based on the transcript right here. Then we convert it into a voice because I'm using the Speechify. I clone the voice and I'm using Speechify. Then we are going to upload the voiceover to MinIO, and we're going to get the audio link to animate our image. Okay, let me show you something right now. This is how it's going to look like. The Battle of Hattin had immediate and far-reaching consequences. So this is how it's going to be like. And trust me, if you want more items, like more images, because each image of this, I think, is around 60 seconds, okay? If you want to reduce it, I have a prompt right here that can help you to do that, okay? These are around 60 seconds long. You can change it to 5 seconds based on the type of content you're trying to create. Now, this is to turn it into add the voice to the video, upload it. Like, let me show you this, how it looks like. As you can see, I think this is even 23 seconds, not even the 60 seconds I'm talking about. So this is how it's going to look like, and it's going to upload the video. And after all these things have been uploaded, it's going to get all the video URLs and join the videos together. It's going to combine all these videos, it's going to combine them together and send it like a direct link like this, which you will be able to download and also view yourself. This is how I'll be able to generate my long video. You can see this is almost like 8 minutes long videos. Okay. And this is anything self-hosted. This endpoint is self-hosted. And these are the tools I use in this endpoint. I use Speechify. I use Gemini for splitting of the content. And I use the CDREM from Freepik to create the image. I use the Speech Lab to generate the voice, then use the NCA2K to concur, join, and have everything together, which is going to give me a long form content
that I wanted in the long run. So if you want this workflow, just comment workflow below and I'm going to send you a one-time link that only you can use, okay? And yeah, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, this is the best time for you to join our Telegram channel if you want to know how to automate your content. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.